Make a magic circle. Insert your hook into these yarns. Bring yarn, turn it. Make a chain, yarn over, go into this ring. Hide this under a stitch. Make double crochet. Bring yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go to this ring, bring yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, bring yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through, make double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 double crochet. Make 7 double crochet. Now in this row we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitches. Insert your hook into this chain, top of first stitch. This chain, yarn over, pull through, make one chain, yarn over, go to first row, make one double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet in each stitch. In second row now we have 16 stitches. Go to first chain, top of first stitch, yarn over, pull through a slip stitch, make a chain, yarn over, go to first stitch, make one double crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, go to next stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and repeat 2 1 2 1 double crochet in stitches, 2 1 double crochet. In this row we have 24 stitches, a slip stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 2 1 1 and repeat 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 stitch for this row. Now we have 32 stitches in this row. A slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 1 1 double crochet in next stitch 3 times, 1 2 3, 1 2 double crochet in this stitch, 1 1 1 double crochet in this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in this stitch, and repeat 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 for this row. Now we have 40 stitches in this row. A slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Repeat this. Repeat 1 double crochet in each stitch 4 times. 1 2 3 4 times. 1 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet in this stitch, 1 2 double crochet. In this row we have 48 stitches. A slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 double crochet in first stitch, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. After these rows I have 1 2 3 4, I have 18 rows in total in here. A slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 chains, go to first stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 chains, go to same stitch, a slip stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 chains, go to same stitch, a slip stitch, go to next stitch in this stitch in here, a slip stitch, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 slip stitch in each stitch for next 18 stitches like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 18. In here, after 18 stitches, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. In here, make 1 2 chains, turn it to first stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into last stitch in here, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns, make 2 chains, turn it, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch until here. In here, go to these chains, make single crochet in each chains. Go to next chain, make 20, 1 2 3 20 single crochet, 4, go to this stitch, slip stitch and chaining, fold it, go to this stitch, fix it, go to this stitch, top of this part, pull up yarn, make a chain, take this yarn, tail of yarn on your hook, pull through, make 1 more chain, go to this stitch, hide this yarn under stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. With these chains we have 3 stitches in this stitch, make 3 double crochet in each stitch, 1 2 3, go to next stitch, make 1 2 3, 1 2, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, make a chain, make 1/2 double
take
crochet,
this
yarn on your hook, yarn over,